Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how to save and download Instagram messages. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. So first thing you have to do is open your Instagram account. And in here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen, this one. Now go to Settings and Privacy. And from here, click on Account Center. Scroll down and tap on this information and permissions. Here, just go ahead and tap on download your information. After that, just simply click on this to download or transfer your information. Just click on that. Check on the box and choose what account you would like to transfer the information to. I'll just choose on this one. So in here, just choose how much information you want to transfer or download. It's really up to you. Let's just wait for it to load now. Here, just scroll down and look for messages. Here, so just tap on that and click next. Now you can choose to download to device or transfer to destination. After that, just click on next. And just go ahead and tap on create files. Now choose a date range and then save. Now tap on create files again. And there you go. We have successfully saved the messages from Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!